In this tutorial we will see how to mint and create an auction in the Ergo Auction House V2. The first thing we will do is enter the website ergoauctions.org. Here we can see some of the NFTs that are currently up for auction. The first thing we will do is configure our wallet. We can do it through Yoroi. It tells us that we must currently use Yoroi nightly with Ergo DApp connector, and we can also use Ergo Wallet with Android. At this point we will create a Yoroi nightly wallet and install the Yoroi nightly and Ergo DApp connector extensions. If you already have a Yoroi nightly wallet, you can skip this step. In case you want to keep the address of a specific Yoroi wallet, you can restore it in Yoroi nightly. We open Yoroi nightly to create a wallet. We select the language. We read, and if we agree we accept the terms of use. Here we can connect to hardware wallet, create wallet or restore it. We click on Create. We select Ergo. We write a name and spending password. Here it will show us a recovery phrase with 15 words that we must write down on a paper and keep in a safe place. We confirm that we have written them, and it will ask us to write the words in the same order that they were given to us. We have already created our Yoroi nightly wallet. In order to use the Ergo auctions, we have sent one ERG from another wallet. We return to the Ergo Auctions V2 website. We click on the wallet and connect with Yoroi nightly. The Ergo DApp connector will open and we click on Connect. It tells us that we have successfully connected. Now we will go to Create Artwork. Select the file. We indicate the quantity. We write the name. We write the description. One of the new features of Ergo Auctions V2 is that we can now choose the royalty percentage we want for secondary sales. In our case, we will leave it at 0%. Click on Issue. After a few seconds, the Ergo DApp connector will open with the transaction, and all we have to do is enter our spending password and click Confirm. A notification will appear at the top of the screen indicating that it is being issued. We will go to Owned Artworks, which is where it will appear once it has been successfully created. We return to Yoroi to check the status of the transaction. A few minutes later we can see that it has been completed. We go back to Ergo Auctions, refresh the page, and we can see that our NFT is already minted. It is the ErgoTutorials.com logo. Now let's create the auction. Select the token. Here we will indicate the minimum bid. In our case 1 ERG. It shows us a calendar to select the date and time of the end of our auction. In our case December 31st at 23:59. Here we must indicate the minimum step between bids. In our case 0.5 ERG. Another new feature of Ergo Auctions V2 is that in addition to the auction we can set an immediate sale price. It is an option. If we do not want it we leave it unchecked. In our case we will indicate a selling price of 50 ERG. We write the description. Click on Create Auction. Again the Ergo DApp connector will open. We have to enter our spending password and click on Confirm. We will receive a notification indicating that the operation is being done with Yoroi, which we must wait for. You will receive another notification that the auction is starting. We can verify that the transaction is still unconfirmed. We return to the Ergo Auctions and we will see the active auctions. We order the auctions with ours first. After a few minutes our active auction appears. We will receive another notification that our auction is active.